Okay, for this video, we are going to be multiplying fractions by whole numbers. So I've got 2/3 multiplied by 5. This is going to be a multi-step problem, so make sure you have enough space. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the numerator and multiply it by the whole number. So 2 times 5 equals 10. The next step you're going to do is you're going to get the answer and you're going to divide it by the denominator. So 10 divided by 3. If you're not sure the answer to that, then you can use the bus stop method. So 3 goes there, 10. How many 3s go into 1? That is 0, carry the 1. How many 3s go into 10? That is 3, remainder 1. So there are 2 different ways to write the answer. You can simply do it as an improper fraction. So 10, because that's the answer there, over 3, because the denominator has to stay the same. Or you can use the answer here. So 3 is going to be the whole number, and then the remainder becomes a fraction. So 3 and 1/3, because we're going to keep the denominator the same. So 2/3 times 5 is 10/3, or 3 and 1/3.